Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you the tools required for affiliate marketing. These are the tools which really help you to kickstart your affiliate marketing career. Let's talk about these tools and see how these can be used to enhance your affiliate marketing career. The first product is Munchai. As you can see, I'll leave the links below this video. You can just check them out. This, you can see the products which are getting launched. These are the launch dates and these are the platforms where it's coming from. This is like Warrior Plus, W Plus, JVZoo, and these are the dates when these products are getting launched. All these products are software launches as well as video launches, which basically I can say these are like digital products. In the previous video I said like most of the affiliate marketing we are concentrating is on digital products, even though there are many niches which you can go pick them up, but let's work only on digital products because that's one of the area where you can make a lot of money. You can see the owners. This is like Jason Fulton is the owner and Ghosted is a product. Abhidivedi, Aiva, and we have our product which is coming up, which is CamFats Inbox Equalizer. Let me click this. I'll just explain because this is our product. I'm launching with other two of my good friends, Cam and Hore. I can show you how this Munchai will be helpful for you in affiliate business, right? So here the main thing is you can see the product list of products as well as the dates it's getting released, and you can see the JV page. I'll explain all these things in the coming chapters. For now, just concentrate on what are the tools required for your business to start on, right? So you have to create an account in this. This is completely free. Create an account and you can see which affiliate network where this product is being launched. It is on Warrior Plus, and what niche is that? It's software, and all the description of the product is given here. So I spoke about what is JV page, right? JV page is joint venture page where you can build up a relationship with the product owner and launch the product. How much commission do I get? You can see here 75% of commissions. Okay, that's incredibly high, right? That's incredibly high. Suppose it's $17, if 75%, somewhere around like $12, you can make easily $12 if you're gonna sell this product. Keep in mind, this is how the commission network works. This is how all this affiliate marketing works. You refer somebody to certain product, you get commission on that. Okay, this is the first product. This is the first tool where you got to see when the products are getting launched, which are the products are getting launched, and you got to keep an eye on the product owners because these guys do repeat every single month, and you can build up a rapport with these guys because when you build up a rapport, you will get easily approved for these products to get promoted. So guys, once you see these products, you can't directly promote it. Next place is you have to have an account in Warrior Plus. Okay, this is a Warrior Plus account, and this thing you have to create a Warrior Plus account. In the next chapter I'll be showing you how to create Warrior Plus account and all these things, but this is the place. This is one of the place. There is some other marketplace as well, JVZoo, DG24, but I am presently working only on Warrior Plus products, so I can explain you about this. This is like a store of products. All the products will be hosted here. This is like a listing of products when the products are going to get launched, but this is a store of products. Those products will be here. For example, if I select, if you think you want to promote CamFats Inbox Equalizer, so how you can promote a product is, let me show you. This is a sales page. Let's go to one of the sales page and show you how it works. This is the sales page of Inbox Equalizer. If you see here, this is the sales button. If you click here, you can purchase this product. You are not here to purchase the product, right? You are here to sell the product. So this is a sales video, sales pitch videos and all these things. This is me, this is Hore, and this is Cam, and you can see all the sales page, how this product works, what is this product, and all and rest of the things like you can see proof how this product works, all these things. and the testimonials, how this product affected these guys. These are real testimonial guys, these are not fake ones, for your kind information. And this is the page which you got to promote. Okay, if you want to promote, you want to get assured that you are getting commissions on this product, right? So how do you get that? For that, you have to go to JV page. So joint venture page, this is where you combine hands with the product owner saying that, hey, I want to promote your product, please give me permission. This is what the thing, okay? And how it works is every JV page will have request affiliate link. Forget about these things for now, guys. Forget about these all things. I don't want to mess up things. I don't want to complicate for you guys. Just listen to simple things for now. Okay, here is the place where you have to request an request affiliate link. Let's click here. Where it goes? It is hosted on Warrior Plus, so it goes to Warrior Plus. You see here, you got to request for approval. Okay, let me show you how it is. So this is the Warrior Plus. As I say, this is a marketplace where the products are hosted. Once you come here from the link of JV page, you have to create an account in Warrior Plus. Remember, I'll teach you in the next chapter. Here you can see all this product information, and you see how much the price range. This is the front end, this is the funnel, all these details are here. And if you see here how many products are hosted, all these things. I'll explain all these things in the coming chapters. For now, just concentrate on simple things, okay? Just an overview. I'm giving an overview. So here I want to request for approval. So what are you gonna write here? Hey, I'm a newbie, I just want to promote your product. No, it doesn't work out like this in affiliate marketing. You have to build a hype. You have to build a trust with this product owner. Here, CamFats, you got to build a trust with him, saying that I'm not going to promote your product in a bad way, like a clickbait way. I'm going to promote your product in such a good way to real customers, to potential customers, where I'm gonna explain about inbox equalizer in a true way, and that's how I'm promoting. You got to be honest with these guys, but not very honest, saying that you're a newbie, you don't know how to promote, all these things, right? So I'll teach you how to do that in the coming chapters. This is one more tool you have to keep in mind. Okay, you got a link approved. So what next? You have seen Munchai where the product dates are come up. You have seen Warrior Plus where the products are hosted, and the thing is you applied for the link, they have approved it. Let's think all positive things happen. What next? You got to promote, man. You got to promote your products. How are you gonna promote? You got to have a YouTube channel. Be vocal about it. You don't want to scare in front of camera, because I mean, like I was just scared to come in front of camera like maybe 4 months before, but right now I can just speak what you know, man. It's okay, let it be shit. Initially, like, nobody sees your videos, that's fine. You see, I just have 535 subscribers, but if I show the analytics every day, how many people see my videos, you see, like 48 hours 526 people, and it's crazy, it's going on. Okay, this just picks up. You be authentic, that's it. And what's the second way is let's go to Facebook. Your Facebook account, you should not think about as you just need to have friends. You can have affiliate friends. You see here, people just make money, man. This guy, he just made a money, and you just need to have affiliate friends in here. And see my profile, it's just completely my March 24th, my new product is coming up. I'm just advertising my things. It's like you got to put yourself out in the market and do sales. You can't just be introvert in this business. Even if you are an introvert, just try not to be. Okay. And the next one is you need to have a website. Why I'm saying you need to have a website? Most of the people do suggest to have a ClickFunnels. Guys, that is like $100 every single month. If you can spend $100 every single month, go for ClickFunnels. I don't mind. I'm not using ClickFunnels. I'm just using my website with Thrive. It just cost me $100 for 3 years. Not one, not two. It's 3 years. I can use for 3 years just for $100. And think about ClickFunnels, $100 a month. It's a waste. I can help you set up your website too, but all these chapters do follow one by one, as I have explained, like Manchai, then Warrior Plus, then how to set up YouTube, then how to manage your Facebook things, then how to create a website. Guys, these all things do come one after the other. Don't rush. I know this course is gonna be very long, but it's worth it. Okay, just keep in mind, this is my website. Okay, how am I using the website, right? So I'm just using my website for my bonuses. Wait a minute. For my squeeze page, opt-in page, if I want to attract few people to get the email contacts, this is what I'm using. If I'm promoting someone's offer, this is Phoenix 2.0. I made a YouTube video. Along with that, I'll say like, click here, this is the video, this is the content of the product. After that, what are the upsells, what do you get with that? Then you have like bonuses which I'm giving away free. Guys, think about this way. You went to a shop and the shop guy says like, if you buy something, a book, you will get a pencil free or a pen free. But if you go one more shop, if that guy sells a book with something expensive, right, maybe one more book free, then which one do you choose as a customer? You see that you will definitely choose something worth. If somebody is giving free and the free is worth more than a pencil, a book, then you go for that, right? It's same thing in affiliate marketing. Everybody is gonna offer this product, everybody is gonna do review videos, everyone is gonna promote. What extra do you give to your customers, right? That's what happens here. I am giving away complete list of products along with one of the product, and these bonuses are like free products which you are giving along with the product they purchase. Okay, so I'm giving away four of the products which I'm giving away completely free, and by purchasing this product. So guys, I know you will have tons of questions. You can leave a comment down. I'll be happy to help you out. And this group, Red Affiliate Academy, is for you guys to discuss, to sort out whatever differences you have. Let's focus on building this group as a very good affiliate marketing learning group. Okay, and after doing all these things, see, I have just popped up, like I'm leaving this page and I just said, wait, you have qualified for $5 coupon, please get it. So this is how you got to attract your customers. Okay, and these are promotions. Facebook, YouTube, and your website are for promotions. And the last one is the main thing, which is the pillar for your affiliate marketing career. You can't always rely upon Facebook, Google, or YouTube things, right? If they take them down, how do you contact your customer? If your website is down, how do you contact your customer? It's with emails. Guys, emails are the main thing where the affiliate marketing is relied on. So guys, I don't want to stress things much, but I'll just show you how this email sequence works. I think you have seen the Phoenix. This is a Phoenix product which I am promoting. So for that, I have said on day 0, send out a welcome email to your email list, bias list. I'll explain what are these, but just think about, there's a list of email IDs. I'm sending out a couple of emails to these guys saying that there's a new product has come out to the market, blah blah blah. This has a lot of functionalities, it improve your things and lot more. I'm giving away my bonuses for you completely free. Bundling up all these things, I'm sending out an email every single day for these guys. Day 0 is when these guys come into the email list, and the day 1 I'm sending out 3 emails like 6 a.m., 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. Then day 2 I'm sending out 2 emails. Day 3 I'm sending out 1 email. Day 4 1, day 5 1. So you can see, like, these are the open rates, how many delivered, what are the click-through rates. Guys, it's kind of complicated. As you go step by step, things are a little bit complicated, but it's worth giving some time for every single thing. Let's not waste time. These are the tools which you really need to have in order to succeed in affiliate marketing. So for now, go to Munchai. I'll just leave the links below. Go to Munchai, create an account. It's simple. I don't want to show a video on that. It's very simple. You just go create an account. If not, leave me a message. I'll do a video. And next coming up video, I'll be showing up how to create a Warrior Plus account. That's very, very important, critical. Do wait for that video. Do not rush and create a Warrior Plus account where the name contains some random numbers or like spaces or like something which doesn't make sense. Always your Warrior Plus name should be readable, searchable, and moreover in sync with your Facebook and YouTube. Like Jason Fulton, it's a name on Warrior Plus. Abhi Dwivedi, Matt, and if you see Cam Fats, these guys are on Facebook. If I just search for Cam Fats, right? Cam Fats, see, he is there. And Jason Fulton, right? Jason Fulton, see, these guys are there. So you don't rush and make some stupid mistakes in Warrior Plus in creating names. I'll just help you out in the next video. That is the one which you had to be waiting for. For now, I'll end this video. All the best. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. Any comments, any questions below, I'll reply back. Thank you.